What we on the design team explored for the Antimony Brewing project was to achieve an open space environment. Rob brought to the table an incredible amount of experience and expertise in the restaurant industry. It allowed us to really tackle some challenges to, make this space and create his vision. For this project, there really was proper due diligence that was needed in order to analyze both the cost and program of the project. And in order to do that, it required constant collaboration between our design team as well as our pre-construction and estimating teams. The different iterations of the floor plan were a unique aspect of this project that really enhanced the design process. Allowed us to ultimately arrive at a solution that really gave ourselves as the architect and our client confidence in the success of the project. When you walk into the space, you're exposed to a double height condition. You're exposed to an open dining environment that includes both private dining and lounge spaces, as well as a maximum view of the brewing space and a line of sight into the brewing equipment. This double height space really contributes to not only the aesthetic ambiance of the space, but the functionality of the brewing operations. And it does so by being able to house both the crisp case and the grain cracker, which is the first step to the brewing process. A creative solution like this is really exciting to see come to life.